If Firefox is showing the SSL error no cipher overlap error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back to browsing securely. This usually happens when Firefox is too outdated, when old cached connection data is causing a problem, or when a website is using older security settings that Firefox no longer accepts. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Let's jump right in. First, update Firefox. An outdated browser often cannot recognize modern secure websites, so this is the easiest fix to try first. Open Firefox, then click the three lines menu in the top right corner. From there, go to Help, and then click About Firefox. Firefox will check for updates automatically. If an update is available, let it download and install completely. Once it finishes, click Restart to update Firefox. After the browser relaunches, try the website again and see if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is to clear your SSL-related cache and saved connection data. Firefox stores some browsing information that can become outdated or broken over time, and that can interfere with secure connections. To do this, click the three lines menu again, go to History, and then select Clear Recent History. In the Time Range dropdown, choose Everything if you want a full reset of the stored data. Make sure cache is checked, and also check active logins if needed. Then click OK to clear the data. Once that is finished, restart Firefox and test the site again. Now, if you trust the website and you know it is using older technology, you can make an advanced change inside Firefox settings. This option should only be used when necessary because it changes how Firefox handles secure connections. In the address bar, type about config and press enter. Firefox will show a warning page. Click Accept the risk and continue to access the advanced preferences. Next, in the search bar, type Security.Tls.Version.Min. You should see the setting appear in the results. Click the pencil icon to edit it, then change the value to 0. This lowers the minimum TLS version that Firefox accepts, which can help with older websites that are causing the overlap error. After changing it, close the tab and try loading the website again. If the site now opens, that means the issue was related to security protocol compatibility. Just keep in mind that lowering this setting is not something you should do permanently unless you really need to, because the default security settings are there to protect you. If possible, you can change it back later, once you no longer need access to that website. So to recap, the main fixes are update Firefox, clear cache and SSL-related browsing data, and if necessary, adjust the advanced TLS setting in About Config. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the SSL error no cipher overlap error quickly. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Firefox fixes, and leave a comment if you want help with another browser error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.